The problem sometimes, your bracelet, it opens too easily. You're worried it might fall off of your hand. The snap is not as strong as you would like. But don't worry, most bracelets have a feature that allow us to adjust this. Some people will actually adjust the snap action by bending these curved pieces, but I really don't recommend doing that because it can cause all sorts of problems that are hard to fix. I like to focus on this little tab right here. This tab, it's going to snap by pushing against that piece of rounded metal right there. Understanding this action is going to help us adjust the bracelet. It's just about to snap onto it. You can see right there that tab is touching the rounded piece of metal. Let me give you an example. You can watch it close. Here it is right there. Bang. Now, that tab is holding on to that piece of metal. That's how the snap works. So what we want to do is we want to adjust this tab, the orientation of the tab, and we want to bend it forward in that direction, more forward. And this is going to cause it to push a little bit stronger against that rounded piece of metal right there. So what we'll do is we'll start off very slowly with a pair of pliers. And I recommend bending it very, very gently. And if it's not strong enough, the snap action is not strong enough, you can bend it a little more. But I like to bend it very gently instead of over bending it. And I can see it is a little bit stronger, which I do like that, but I might even make it a touch stronger. I'm going to bend that tab forward even more, just a smidgen more. Again, it's very recommended to bend them slowly. I don't like to overbend them. For me, I feel like that tab is leaning forward a little more. You can see it. The orientation is leaning forward just a touch more. And I think that's going to grab onto that rounded piece of metal very, very crisply. Let's give it a try. I can see that is more pressure. And let's give it a test. Perfect. This, I really trust it's not going to fall off of my wrist. I like this crisp opening and the crisp closing. That's exactly what we're looking for. Thank you for joining.